So this is the 2014 Junior Cert Ordinary Level Paper 2 and we're looking at question number 8. On a reality TV show, contestants have to perform tasks on an island. They are given the map of the island shown below. 2 points A and B are marked with X's. So here's A and B. And base camp is also marked, which is here. The contestants are told that treasure is buried on the island at a point T. T is 20 kilometers from A and 20 kilometers from B. So, part 1 says the map is drawn to a scale of 1 centimeter to 5 kilometers. On the map, how far is T from the point A? Okay, well, it tells us that T is 20 kilometers from A. So, if it's 20 kilometers from A, well, 5 kilometers would be 1 centimeter. So the question is, how many 5s are in 20? So 20 divided by 5 is 4. So we're going to have 4 centimeters then is the distance on the map. Part 2 says, using a compass, construct the point T on the map and label the point T. Okay, so, well, if we're going to construct the point T, we know that this point T is going to be 4 centimeters from A on the map and 4 centimeters from B. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our compass and we're going to stretch our compass to 4 centimeters. So you stretch the legs of the compass to 4 centimeters. And then you're going to get the compass, put the point of the compass on A, and swing an arc, and then put the point of the compass on B, and swing another arc. And where the two meet, that will be the point that we label T. So along these two arcs, you're 4 centimeters away from A and B. So that's the point T. Part 3 says measure the distance from the point T to base camp on your map and hence find the actual distance in kilometers from the point T to base camp. So if you measure the distance with a ruler from T to the base camp, you should get a value of something close to 3.5 centimeters. So 3.5 centimeters. However, they want to know what's the distance in kilometers. So remember, the conversion was 1 centimeter is 5 kilometers. Well then 3.5 centimeters, we're going to multiply that by 5 to get our distance in kilometers. And that gives us 17.5. So the answer is 17.5 kilometers. That's the distance from the point T to base camp in kilometers, the actual distance. Okay, and finally, part 4, the contestants find the treasure at 1 o'clock and return to base camp immediately. If they walk at an average speed of 6 kilometers per hour, find the time they reached base camp. Okay, so we're looking for time, the time they reach. So we're trying to measure time. So we know that time is equal to distance over speed. So we should know that formula off by heart. Time is distance over speed. So from the treasure to the base camp, the distance we just measured is 17.5 kilometers. And we're going to divide that by the speed. Now the speed is given in kilometers per hour, so the kilometers per hour matches the kilometers for the distance, so that's okay. Always check your units. So that's going to be 6, we're allowed to divide by there, and 17.5 divided by 6. When you do this on your calculator, it gives you 35 over 12. Now 35 over 12, you can convert that to a mixed number if you like. So how many 12s are in 35? Well, there's 2 with 11 left over. So it's 2 and 11 12th. And this is time, so this is going to be in hours because our speed was kilometers per hour. So it's 2 and 11 12th hours. Now we need to know what's 11 12ths of an hour. So an hour is 60 minutes. So we can say what's 11 12ths of 60 minutes. We can just multiply 11 12ths by 60. And that gives us a value of 55. So we know that this is actually 2 hours and 55 minutes. So the question then said, find the time they reach base camp. So if they left at 1 o'clock or 1300 hours, and it took them 2 hours and 55, that's going to be 1300 hours plus 2, that'll bring us to 1500 hours, 55. So the time given in 24-hour format would be 15:55. And that's the end of the question.